Look at that beautiful thing in the background. Good morning, everybody. This morning we've got to fix that auger I was telling you about last night. Hopefully it's just a sheared pin or maybe a chain jumped off of it or something. But the only bad thing is we got to take that metal plate that we drive the trucks across off there, but it shouldn't take too long, maybe hopefully only an hour or so. But after we do that, we got a couple trucks to dump, and then we are going to go back to the other grain facility. Probably won't shell a lot of corn today. We're going to shell a few loads so we can finish making our cone in the wet bin over there, transfer some grain around. So not a lot of combine action today, but a lot of stuff that needs done just the same. So hopefully everything goes off without a hitch, and I don't have any more brain farts today. But I don't know, it's something you never know till it happens. Got another problem this morning. Our dryer is not wanting to start, so gotta look at that, see what's going on there. Hopefully our luck turns around for the day, but that's just how harvest goes sometimes. A lot of little things like that make for a long day, but hopefully it's just something simple. You know it's getting serious when we're getting the book out. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Turns out our problem was just a weak breaker. Hopefully it'll hold out for the rest of the day. We'll probably have to replace it here the next day.
The set screw come out. The set screw came off on that sprocket. That one there, this come out. Am I didn't tighten or what?
Well, we got the auger back together. We got the dryer running, so now everything's back together. We're going to dump these two trucks, and then we'll move over to the other farm and start doing some corn. Took a little longer than we expected, but hopefully it's done right now, so we'll see. Hopefully not enough. Combine rolling back at the field, and some trucks are coming in. While I'm dumping some trucks, it takes about 30 minutes over here to dump 1,000 bushels, so I think I'm going to edit yesterday's video and get it ready. Surprisingly, I'm not behind yet. They're finishing off the truck that I'm going to take right now. It's shocking. But it's only because they're still opening this field up. Once they get going back and forth, won't be able to hold on. I won't be able to keep up with them at all. start filling this bin today. So I'm gonna spray it and put the doors back together and make sure everything's good in it, make sure nothing's gonna get plugged up. Got some questions about my truck bed. Hey, if there's enough interest in it, I'll do a video on how the truck's laid out and everything next time we get a rain day or some kind of 0 day. I'll try to put a poll right about now in this video. I think I know how to do that, we'll see. If there's enough interest in it, I'll do a quick walk around on it and talk about the manufacturer and how it's laid out and everything, whatnot. That's the dryer dumping into this bin now. Looks like everything's coming through okay. Holy shit. Whew. Little big rats just came out of that right there. Probably they don't like them filling their home full of corn. Now I'm gonna try to kill them. They have eluded me for now, but I will get one. You want me to run the cart so you can go home? Well, yeah. Are we gonna load the car or are we gonna dump it? This time. Oh yeah!
What year did you take off in?
It's like just about done harvesting for the day. We're out of wet storage. Like I said, we got to transfer a lot of grain around so that we'll be able to piece together a good day tomorrow or Monday. I'm gonna jump in the grain cart for a little bit. We're only gonna basically just gonna load the cart, and then all the trucks and cart will all be loaded. We'll be waiting on the dryer. So, be nice to get out of these trucks and get into a tractor again. Be a nice change of pace. I told you I'd get one of them rats. If anyone with grain bins tells you they don't have rats, they just ain't seen them. Darn things are everywhere. Two things you get over when you're working around grain bins. You get over your fear of mice, rats, spiders. Now, if we see a snake down there, I'm burning that place to the ground, but I ain't never seen one so far. But usually there's a lot of mice and rats. We tore down one of the bins at our house and moved it to the other grain facility. When we took the floor up, killed 43 rats. We didn't think we even had rats. So they're definitely around. We are right there. Doesn't look good. Emptying the cart, we'll have to mess with it later. First time I've seen Dad run the grain cart in I don't know how long. I didn't even know his butt fit in the cart seat anymore. See the combine covered in all that black soot. It just comes right off. It's just pretty sure it's from corn blight that does that to it. I mean, it just wipes right off. But man, after a couple acres, combine's black. As long as it keeps blowing it off, keep it from getting too dirty. But first time we get some rain while he's like that, the combine's gonna be filthy. The rain's starting to move in. just kind of sprinkling right now. There's a heavy cell coming in, so. But it's all right. We got some stuff we got to fix tomorrow. Got to get my combine ready so we can do beans with both machines. And then we got to finish transferring grain over at this facility. So I don't know. Might be a video tomorrow, might not. I don't know. It just depends on if there's anything interesting happening. Hard to tell. Still got a few more trucks to dump though. That's a wrap for today. Like I say, the rain started to come in, and we weren't really planning on doing a whole lot of acres today anyways, just because of wet space limitations and whatnot. But we got done what we thought we could get done, and tomorrow we're gonna probably work on my combine, like I say, and then we got to transfer some grain around. So all in all, not a bad day. I didn't spill, you know, 300 bushel of corn on the ground, so that's always an improvement from yesterday. But yep, so I don't know. We'll see if there's a video tomorrow. It probably will be, but it probably won't be very long. But hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.